Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. The GoPro Hero 10 Black was released yesterday, and I know there's one question a lot of people are going to have about it, and that is whether GoPro has fixed the touchscreen. If you were an owner of the Hero 9 Black, you know the touchscreen on the back of it was not very responsive. Now over the past year, they did release several firmware updates that claim to have fixed it, and indeed they did improve it a little bit, but at the end of the day it still did not function as it needed. It was very laggy and non-responsive quite a bit of the time. But to cut right to the chase, yes indeed, GoPro has improved the touchscreen. It actually works quite well now. That's partly due to the new GP2 processor that's included with the Hero 10 Black. I'll just kind of give you a quick demonstration here. Now it's going to be hard to fully demonstrate the responsiveness, but unlike the Hero 9 Black, pretty well every command you give it, it's going to be very responsive. You don't have to keep touching the same button over and over again trying to get the GoPro to recognize your input from your finger. It works very fluidly and everything appears to work as intended. So far, I'm very pleased with the responsiveness. I have absolutely no complaint. If you've picked up the Hero 10 Black, I'd like to hear your opinion on it. Do you think that GoPro has improved the touchscreen? Let me know down below in the comments of this video. Well, hopefully this video answered your question. If you're wondering if the touchscreen has been improved, again, yes indeed it has. I want to thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you found it had value. That's always greatly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.